Hello my friends, welcome to this solution video. In here we are going to start working with all the files that you already download. Okay, you should have Bootcamp 1, 2, 3, and 4 and the Joomla secrets. And you should have downloaded all these files inside your week 2 and video 6, which will be your homework. And first of all, we are going to go inside this Joomla installation. Now you can go inside your local or online Joomla installation, whatever place that will be fine. Let's click on Browse and then click on Bootcamp number 1. Click Open and upload and install. There we go. Now we are going to go to Extensions and Template Manager. Inside here we are going to go to the new template, which will be Bootcamp. Make a selection and click Make Default. Then we are going to click on View Site to analyze that everything will be working fine. And well, as you can see, the problem will be the template for this display is not available. Please contact a site administrator. So let's go ahead and see what is going on. Let's go back, and inside this folder I already unzipped my Bootcamp number 1. Now the first thing you will need to analyze is that you have the index.php, the template details, and the template preview and thumbnail. Okay? Now something that I already mentioned is that the most important files behind any Joomla template are going to be number 1, index.php, the template details, and actually if you only create a template with those two files, you are going to be able to install the template and to apply the template, because the CSS folder, even that it is going to be really important for your styles and your layout, it is not going to be required. The same will happen with the HTML folder. That folder will be for all your template and layout overrides. The image will contain all the images from the template that you are installing. The JS will be the JavaScript files, and the language will be all the language files that you create for this specific template. The template preview and thumbnail are going to be essential but not required. So first of all, we already have the index.php, the template details. We will need to analyze if those files are going to be inside the template details. So let's go in here, open the template details, and in this case I already have it with me. And here we go. You can actually check the template details in here, but if we analyze very quickly, the index file won't be in here. So that will be one problem. Let me copy all this, Control C, and write down index.php. Then let's click on File, Save, and we are going to zip this folder one more time. Make a full selection, right click, save and zip, and add to testing. In this case we'll be testing.zip, because that will be the folder which will contain all these files. Now what we are going to do is going back to the Joomla installation and go to Extensions and Extension Manager. Now let's go in there, click on Browse, and again let's go to Testing and Testing.zip. Click Open and upload and install. And see what we have. We have another error. But actually, if you understand and read this problem, is that there is already a template using the name directory. So in this case, remember, we just installed the template Bootcamp number 1. So if we go to Extensions and Template Manager, you are going to be able to see the Bootcamp template, which will be the default template. So what we will need to do first of all is probably click on any other template so we can make that template the default template, because right now the Bootcamp will be the default one, and if a template is the default template, you are not going to be able to uninstall that template. So let's go back in here, Extension Manager, then click on Manage and select the template inside these filters and make a selection on Bootcamp. then on install. There we go. Going back to install and click on browse. One more time, upload the testing.zip and upload and install. Now again, your folder won't be named testing.zip because you can name your folder in any way you want. And in this case we have installing template was successful. Let's go to extensions and template manager. And then one more time, select the bootcamp, the new template, and make it default. There we go. Let's click on view site, and as you can see, that will be the template that we are going to have at this moment. We are not going to have any error. Now don't worry about all this image up here at the top, because what we want to accomplish behind this template problem is that we don't get any error, and that's what we have accomplished so far. So for this video, that will be it. Let's move on to the next solution.